Okay, so for just a standard box stock, you can just give it some dimensions, or you can use the part bounding box as the dimensions, and you can tell it where to measure the stock box from. Okay, so in most cases, that's what you're going to be using as a stock model in most cases, but there are cases where you may want to use something else. So let's go back up to stock. We'll call part box stock. Now the box stock just throws a stock on the screen and allows you to give it some dimensions. This option allows you to define your stock based on the dimensions of your part. In other words, you can give it some additional stock in the X, Y, and Z extents of the part. Okay, so for instance, you could give it, if you see the stock's getting bigger in the X, it's getting bigger in the Y, and it's getting bigger in the Z. So you can define your stock based on your part and then give it some offset values. Okay, and you can also do it in the negative Z also. Okay, and it might be easier if we just go in this multi-view layout. Pick OK. Let's go back up there and do part box stock again. So you can give it plus or minus in the Z also. Okay. Now, this isn't used as often as just the standard box stock, but there may be instances where you want the stock to be the size of the part, but you may want a little bit extra on one side, or you may want a little bit extra, on both sides in X, or both sides in Y, or both sides in Z, however you want to. So in the dialog here, you can see basically the dimensions that are on display down below. So that is the stock part box stock. Now,